Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I did the exhaust in my LS swapped OBS 1989 Chevy or GMC Sierra. So at the beginning of the exhaust system, I've got Schoenfeld full-length ceramic coated headers. These headers feature a 3-inch collector. You can run a full 3-inch exhaust. There's enough room to do it. But I chose to do 2.5, just give me a little bit more clearance. Also, I really don't think it needs a 3-inch exhaust for the full length, unless you're running a performance application, which this is not. Then you want to go on Amazon or eBay and get you a bend kit, you know, about 60 bucks. So these headers were about $800. Then I got 2 reducers from Speed Engineering to reduce that down to 2.5. And then I fabricated a tube to come over here and cross over into this. From the passenger side, you can pretty much run a straight shot into the muffler. And actually, this is not a muffler, this is a resonated X pipe. And I was able to use the factory exhaust hanger to hold that into place. Now, you could run true duals and emit these mufflers, but the reason I did it like this is because I wanted a quiet sound. But at minimum, you want to use the Magnaflow or any kind of X pipe right here. I just want to cut down on the noise, so I got a resonated one. And then pretty much from the headers up to this section here, I can remove this, and I could drop the hanger off here, and I can remove the whole muffler back, say if I wanted to access the transmission. I made this front half up to the mufflers removable with these clamps and slip joints. I used a MIG machine to weld everything together. I just got some stainless wire, and you know, you can clean these welds up better and make them look better, but I did not. This I put on here to cut resonance, but I don't think it works, so I'm going to take it off. Coming out, you got a 90 degree, then another 90 degree to come over and then into this bend. Crosses under the drive shaft, goes into the Magnaflow stainless X-pipe resonator. Coming out of there, you have 2 FlowFX, which are Magnaflow knockoffs. I got these at Advanced Auto Parts on the cheap. Let me get these out of the way. Again, you can use the stock hanger location for those mufflers. Now, up until this point, I just dumped it right here. I had turn downs, but there was so much resonance under the bed that I ended up extending it out the back. Now what I did is I ended up taking it to an exhaust shop to have them do it. It cost me $220 to get them run out the back, and I didn't have to lift a finger. In fact, I went and got coffee and a burrito. But you can do this yourself. I'll show you the part numbers because these are pre-bent tailpipes. And they're 2.5 inch. You can purchase them. It costs you about $100. So education is expensive no matter where you get it. Could have done it myself, saved a little bit of money, but I didn't. So coming out, and it pretty much follows the OEM, or at least the suggested, well, OEM to about right there. And then this truck had, from the factory, dual outlet turned to the side, coming out about right here. This is 89. But I'm going to give you all the part numbers in the description. 126105 for the driver. And let's see. 126104194 for the passenger. I kind of like the raw look of the just plain exhaust. I might put some tips on it later, but you got plenty of room for a spare should you want to put one up there. Anyways, so that's how I did my exhaust. It's nice and quiet. If you wanted to open it up, I would say omit the mufflers. But I'll give you guys a little sound clip now.